All right, looking at this one, we have zinc and thiocyanate, and it's making 3 products, and we are still in acidic conditions. So the first thing we need to do here is we need to determine our oxidation numbers. So that's easy. Here we get hydrogen's always +1, so that has to be -2. Hydrogen's +1. All right, so now when we do this, we have to go to the table. And the table, which I don't have in front of me, you're gonna have to trust me on this one, says we go down and the first thing we get to is, well, hydrogen. We got hydrogen. Then we get to 6A. We get oxygen, then we get 6A. So sulfur's -2. Then we get down to, or we get to 7A, and then we get to 6A, and then we get to 5A, which is nitrogen, so that's -3. So in this case, carbon has to be, because we have to all add up to -1, so carbon has to be +4. Same thing over here. Let's see, we got hydrogen. Nitrogen is going to be -3 on the table. So here carbon has to be +2. So this is a little bit trickier. Know how to use a table. Remember, you don't look from left to right in your compound. You look from top to bottom on the table. Okay, so we got zinc going here, and then carbon is our other thing that's changing. So zinc going from 0 to +2, so it is losing 2 electrons. And carbon is going from +4 to +2, so it is gaining 2 electrons. Oxidation is lost. That's going to be zinc. So zinc goes to zinc +2 and 2 electrons. All right, now here, do you see how this one compound breaks into 2 products? So that's what we have to do here. So we put our carbon-containing compounds, but we got to balance the rest. So this is going to be CNS-, and it gained 2 electrons, and that's going to make H2S and HCN. Okay, so now what we need to do, that we have our electrons and our half reaction split, we need to balance oxygen. There's no oxygen, so that's easy. Next, we balance hydrogens with H+. No hydrogens here. 2, 3 hydrogens, no hydrogens. Remember, you balance with H+ whether you're in acidic or basic conditions. All right, well, now we're ready to put them, we balance our electrons, they're already balanced. So we can put these together. In this case, I didn't do any multiplication, so I'm just gonna mark those out right there. So here we're gonna have I'm just copying this back. So that one looked really scary, but it wasn't.